Hey, what's up? Sami here. So this is the Xiaomi 17 Ultra. I literally just bought it from the Xiaomi store a few hours ago, so I haven't had much time to really play with it yet. Because of that, this video is going to be a very quick unboxing. No deep camera testing this time. If there is any, it's mainly a comparison with the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. As you can see, I've got pretty much all the flagships on the desk right now. The Vivo X300 Pro, the Oppo Find X9 Pro, and Huawei Mate 80Rs automated design, and the iPhone 17 Pro Max, which is currently in my wife's hands. So I'm not getting that back anytime soon, but don't worry, I'll just steal it tomorrow while she's sleeping. All for you guys. Jokes aside, there will be a massive camera comparisons coming in the next few days, for sure. If you are into camera tests and real-world comparisons, definitely subscribe. Everything will be super unbiased and actually useful. This video has two parts. First, a quick unboxing of the Xiaomi 17 Ultra. Second, a look at the differences between the standard Xiaomi 17 Ultra and the Xiaomi 17 Ultra by Leica. Yeah, and that Leica version has that rotating camera ring. Money really can make your phone's camera physically roll now. Alright, jokes aside, let's get into the unboxing. Alright, unboxing. So right, still this kind of long box. Okay, looks like a gift box, right? Xiaomi 17 Ultra co-engine with Leica, and this time this starts from this 12 GB plus the 512 gigs of ROM. So I just got this green color. Oh, ew. Whoa. Tight, super tight. Whoa. Out of the box, we got this 100 watts charger and a Type A to Type C charging cable, and that's it. I noticed it a little bit different. Like you see this two-tone, this stand, and there's an insert. We have some a transparent phone case, a really hard one, exactly the same as the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, a manual, and there is a separate cord for holding the pen. And finally, we have the phone. Wow, the camera bumper feels really, really huge, and wow. Wow, that is the phone, ladies and gentlemen. And this is like the first flat screen for Xiaomi Ultra series. So yeah, I like this. I like this kind of hand feel. Feels really solid, but also very iPhone style, right? But anyway, that's the unboxing. Let me give it a quick design walkthrough. So, wow, this is like a super iPhone style, right? We have this separate volume up and down key, and this power key at the bottom. We have the speaker Type C, and this SIM card slot. Move to this side, nothing. On top, nothing. I guess they just embed all the infrared blaster or inside this camera module, right? And this is the camera module. It shrinks to 3 camera sensors, as you can see. Everybody says the camera performance has upgraded a lot, and don't worry, I'll compare all of them, so just stay tuned. Oh, I really like this back. Really, I like this back. Wow, it feels like you're holding a sky full of stars, and when you just shift to different angles, you can see all this shining stars. That looks cool. Also, we have an Ultra text on top. Since this is not the Xiaomi 17 Ultra by Leica, so it doesn't have the Leica logo. Ooh, I like it, to be honest. The camera module is, when you shake, you hear the camera module moving inside. And actually, it's quite loud. Alright. I hope it brings good camera performance. And that's the unboxing, and here are some quick sample comparisons with Xiaomi 15 Ultra. Take a look and let me know what you think. Now, let's talk about the Xiaomi 17 Ultra by Leica. I don't have one on hand, but my friend Eva's Tech kindly provided her footage in this vertical view, so let's use that. Compared to the standard version, there are a few key differences, starting with the design. The body was fully designed by Leica's own team. The back is inspired by the Leica M series with that classic two-tone look. The middle frame uses knurled and slip detailing, along with the Leica's signature engravings. In the hand, it honestly feels more like a camera than a phone. But the biggest difference and the most camera-like feature is this master zoom ring. The outer ring around the camera module actually rotates. You can use it to quickly launch the camera, adjust focal length, exposure, filters, and more. It's basically a fully customizable physical dial, right where photographers expect it. In terms of core hardware specs, the Xiaomi 17 Ultra by Leica is identical to the standard version, but the experience is very different, mainly because of Leica moment. Xiaomi has brought the essence of the Leica M9 and M3 straight into this phone. M9 mode delivers rich colors with soft, natural detail, while M3 focuses on subtle tones and a very authentic texture. Leica moment goes beyond simple color profiles, reproducing real camera-like detail with almost no algorithmic look. Without the watermark, it's genuinely hard to believe these photos were shot on a phone. And with cloud-based enhancement, tonal depth and optical character can be pushed even further. Beyond the Leica moment, you also get a full set of Leica-style filters and exclusive Leica watermarks. The black and gold color scheme looks especially premium. Aside from the image differences, everything else is the same as the standard Xiaomi 17 Ultra. So, what does the standard version really look like? Don't worry, a full sample and video comparison is coming soon. So, let me just zoom a little bit. Okay, so when you zoom like this, okay, still feel the camera still like jitters a little bit, right? Not that super smooth. Overall, this device shows a new level of collaboration between Xiaomi and Leica. It's no longer just co-branding or color tuning, but deep co-creation, from design and controls to image logic. The result isn't a phone that shoots like a Leica, but an image device built around the true camera principles. And that's the video. Let me know what you want to know about this phone, and I will try to test it for you guys in the next few days. Thanks for watching. I'm Sami, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.